All right. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upscale your images. Let me say you are a graphic designer or you have an image that you want to upload online or you want to use for something and it's looking like what is on the screen right now. Like it's not clear enough. With AI, you can actually upscale those images to look more better. So I'm going to be showing you two ways to do it using AI. So when you go to your browser, make sure that you have your internet connection is on. Then you search for Pika AI. All right. So when you type in Pika AI into your browser, it will show up this thing. The first one that shows up, that's pikaai.com. Click on the first link. So we're going to click on enhance because that's all we want to do. So once you click on enhance, you click on upload. Then you go to that image where the image is. So you click on the image and open it, or you can double click on it. You see that it's going to be it's showing enhancing details. So it has a premium version if you want to go for the premium version. But if you don't want to go for the premium version, you can still be using the free version. But you have some limitations using it. Now it is done with it. As you can see, this is it. This is an upscaled version, but you can still work on this. You can see that this is better than this. We can still bring in another picture. Let's check another image. Go to my down. Let's say this image. When I click on it, so it is working its magic on the image to make it appear more clearer, more better. So you just have to take your time. If your internet connection is fast, it will go fast. But if it's not fast, it will be a bit slow because of the server and because of you're not using a premium version. So yes, you can see it. Let me zoom in. You can see the upscaled version, that one is better than the other. So we also have, let me just download it. You can just download it, it downloads, but it will come with watermark. If you don't want it to come with watermark, you have to now pay for the premium version. But as a graphic designer, we know our way around it to get rid of the watermark. But then you can use free pick. For those of us that know free pick for design, free pick has an upscaler. When you go on free pick, you see the first part. There's All right. So once you get to free pick, from here you see upscale. You click on upscale. So once your upscale opens, you can see on the top here, I have only two this thing to do. So just click on upload and next cancel. Come here, select, and then go to that same image and click it, use image. You can upscale to 2K. If you want to upscale to 4K, you can you can read the instructions there to get it. So once I click on upscale, you can also add describe your image for better result. Maybe you want there are some details that you need from the image. You can also add it here to know get it too. So you can see that this here up here has changed to one. That means I only have one for the day. So let's wait for it to upscale. So it can take time when it's upscaling actually, due to network. All right. So you can see it is done with the upscaling. From here you can see that it is done with the upscaling. It has upscaled the image and it has made the image more sharper. If you're not satisfied with the details, you can add descriptions here and do it. So there are a lot of AI upscaler online. So maybe you can just try them out and use it to upscale your image to work or do whatever you want to do. I hope this helps you understand the concept of using AI to upscale images. All right, see you at the next one. Bye.